today's Wednesday.
Yeah.
The 19th. The 15th she shipped it out. Okay. So she has a little thing here. I really like how this bag is pink. I mean box. Okay. Should I open it? Come. Wait, guys. 3, 2, 1. I see the pink. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait. Oh, this is the...
Yeah.
How do you put it on? Oh, my hands just go here.
Yeah.
Okay, so she did a little...
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. Wait. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Look. Look at this. Are you kidding me?
Wow.
You're joking. Look. Look at the bead. What? Yo. I have the straps, but I don't know if I want to wear the straps. But I can. I'll test it out. Like, oh my goodness, mommy. Look how big this dress is. Look how long.
And the video didn't look this long, but this is long.
What? I knew it was gonna be long, but not this long.
Yeah.
Like, look at the train. Oh my goodness. And then look, they stick. You can bring these up.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. I'll play with it and see.
Yeah.
But like, literally exactly. And then it's not gonna be itchy. Like,
Yeah.
look at the material,
double,
everything. And then this, and then you see the rope.
Yeah.
Heavy duty. Look at this.
This one cannot pop.
It's not coming off one bit.
No.
OMG. And then look at the cups. Like, it's fully padded. You guys.
Wow.
This is so beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes.
It is.
Okay. Now we just gotta try it.
Yeah.